And still in St. James, the People's National Party councillor for the Granville Division, Michael Troop, has been suspended for 3 months from the St. James Municipal Corporation. Today, councillors voted in favor of a resolution for sanctions to be taken against Mr. Troop in light of the controversy surrounding his former assistant who had been linked to the 119 guns from Miami to Montego Bay. In moving the motion last month, JLP councillor for Montego Bay West, David Brown, argued that Mr. Troop has brought the municipal corporation into disrepute.
Council meetings, Councilor Troop, that would be, the next March, April, May. You're required to be back here in June.
Thank you, Mayor. I just want to thank my colleagues for giving me 3 months to spend some time with my people within the Granville